Greetings everyone, I've got another one of those multi-angle POVs for you. Let's roll that intro. Yes, I returned to the Matterhorn Bobsleds, and I've been working on this video for quite a while now. So basically, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put up two different views of the Matterhorn simultaneously for you to watch. It's gonna be great. Let's get to that footage.
Seated with your seatbelt fastened. Permanecer sentado.
If you love the Matterhorn like I do, you'll know that we only did one side. And even though that was really fun, we gotta show off the other one too, of course. Let's roll that footage with a double dip. thank you everybody so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time. I hope you're enjoying these. I just try to do this once in a while when I get the chance. So thanks for just tuning in. It's just something that I was like, this might be a fun idea. So let me know if there are any other rides you want to see coming down the pipeline. Just tell me, I'm up to hear. It's always interesting because each of these rides presents a different challenge for this. But yeah, it's fun to do. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for sharing, commenting, all that stuff. But also a huge thank you to the patrons and the members who are supporting me financially. If you want to do any of that, just check out the links down below. Either way, until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.